How are you? I'm Steve.
And I'm Tom.
We're here at the World Market Media Editor's Desk. We've got some news today, actually breaking news in Paris. $120 million worth of paintings were stolen. It's actually, it looks a little goofy. It was a masked raider that went in there and got everything. Apparently there was 3 security guards on duty, and none of them saw anything. However, the guy was able to get rid of the entire security system besides the surveillance cameras, which actually caught him. He cut the padlock and broke through a window.
Wow. And
so Picasso's rolling in his grave right now, and one of them is missing. So either way, there's that. That's something in Europe, right? So we've got BlackRock's Bob Dole making news today with his 10 predictions for 2010. And we actually, when he says something, you have to listen to him, because last year he had 12 predictions and 11 of them came true for 2009. And he actually says 3 things really need to happen. The euro needs to stabilize. I don't know if people stealing paintings is going to help that, but that with everything else, today there's actually a 471,000 job loss claims, so it went up by 25,000 today. So, Tom, you have the micro and nano cap movers?
Yeah, let's get right into it. We've got, I'm going to start with the nano cap movers. Right up at the top here is GTX Corporation. They're trading up 1 cent. The last closing price was 17 cents, and that's 5% increase. GTX revenues were way up. Margins were down, but there was a smaller net loss in their most recent quarterly reportings. Strategic Mining Corp is now flat, although it was trading up. eDiets.com trading up 2 cents or 2% at 77 cents per share. eDiets is, of course, in Fort Lauderdale, right in our backyard. And their recent capital raise of $4.7 million at the quarterly report, the CEO said that expanded their advertising. Their losses did widen for that corporate report. And the next one would be Broadcast International. They hired a new board member. They released their report yesterday, hiring a new board member who's enjoyed industry success across the board. Moving over to the microcap index, we've got Cubic Energy is up 5%. They're trading at 99 cents a share. That move has been on great earnings that we posted about yesterday. In fact, that's still up on the blog page. You can go read about those huge earnings too. Next would be Datalink. They're moving on relatively light volume, and there was no news, so it looks like somebody's just feeling pretty bullish about that company. Last one would be Answers, the company called Answers, and they're trading up. They're trading up right now. On their quarterly report, earnings were up 21%. Their operating income was up 12%, and that was released on May 3rd. So although it was a little bit ago, it looks like those earnings are still getting investors excited.
Yeah, for every 76 stocks down, there's one up. So we've got a couple that are up and leveling off.
Yeah, this is an ugly day for the markets. We're going to continue to follow it for the rest of the day and bring you breaking news when we can.
So stay tuned to World Market Media. I'm with Tom. I'm Steve. Thank you, and have a good one.